Mega tsunami may have occurred on Mars. Scientists say August 17, 2019 mega tsunami may have occurred on Mars. Scientists say one is well known. Mars is a reddish and very cold place, but in the past it may have housed liquid water. Recently, researchers have found signs that some areas have been hit by a massive force, possibly formed by a mega tsunami. Mega tsunami may have occurred on Mars. Scientists say elevation map shows the Lomonosov crater around you, the terrain where there might have been an ocean. Credit, NASA/University of Arizona. Over the past 10 years, observations made by spacecraft orbiting the red planet have revealed ample evidence of structures created by water. One of these features, known as the fingerprint zone, is a very unusual region and has many features that may indicate that it was carved by a mega tsunami. Here on Earth, tsunamis are usually triggered in subduction zones, where one tectonic plate plunges below the other, causing a gigantic displacement of water to travel to coastal areas. However, Mars has no significant geological activity, which points to the hypothesis that the alleged tsunami was caused by a violent external impact, possibly from a meteor. Geological evidence. According to the paper published in the Journal of Geophysical Research, the Lomonosov crater appears to have geological features quite consistent with this type of event, especially its rim, which appears to have been broken by water running around it. The presence of numerous such fractures also indicates the presence trying to fill in empty areas left after impact. Lomonosov is about 120 kilometers long and is surrounded by soft young terrain, similar to what would have been a potential shallow ocean floor. According to scientific work, about 3 billion years ago an object between 15 and 20 kilometers crossed the northern hemisphere of Mars and reached the possible coast, which created a huge tidal wave. Researchers cite that there is other evidence for this in other ancient tsunamis that left scars on the Martian surface. Satellite imagery has revealed many coastal terrain with structures consistent with flowing water. According to the paper, these structures can be attributed to different tsunamis that may have occurred during periods when the climate has changed significantly. Very cold Mars. The weather is a crucial element in this discussion, as the old Mars are believed to have been very cold for a number of reasons, including the fact that the sun was possibly emitting much less radiation than now. Thus, an ocean full of long-lived life forms seems very unlikely under such freezing conditions, as it would require a warmer, wetter environment to sustain life. If the characteristics of the Lomonosov crater were actually caused by flowing water, it is almost certain that an ocean was indeed present in the region, and considering how rare impacts of this size are, this ocean must have been there for a long time.